Last time we made a video. Make unlimited AI animation bedtime stories for kids video with AI tools 100% free. You will find the video on our channel. Today we will learn how to make unlimited shorts video with single AI tool from any long videos. With today's strategy, you can make short clips from any long videos you want. If you have a YouTube channel, this helps you a lot, or you can use others' video to make shorts like this one.
Faceless YouTube channel for kids story. Let's see how our video will be after final production. Lily opens the magic book and is transported to a mysterious forest filled with talking animals. Lily befriends a mischievous squirrel who tricks her into stealing a golden acorn from the wise owl. Feeling guilty, Lily tries to return the golden acorn, but the owl is furious and refuses to forgive her. Lily realizes that the only way to make amends is to embark on a quest to find a rare flower that can heal the owl's wounded wing. As Lily searches for the rare flower, she encounters a group
You can
of
use this kind of
mischievous
shorts
foxes who
video
tried
to
to steal the
Facebook,
book, but she
Instagram,
cleverly
YouTube,
outwits
or
them
even
and
TikTok by creating a new channel. Now going straight to the AI tool. You will find all links in description. With this website, you can make short clips from long videos. Click on Sign Up button. Then click on Next button will redirect you to dashboard. If you found pop-up, click on Don't Allow. Click on Video Creator. Then click on I Work Independently. Here, select any options you want. Click on YouTube. Then click on Get Started. On free membership, you will able to make short clips up to 75 minutes. Here you will find a button. You can upload any video, or you can use paste URL. Click on URL. Here you can use your own video. You can use any YouTube video link. We are selecting our last video. Go to that YouTube video you want to use. Copy the URL link. Paste the URL to this box ABD, then click on Start Import button. Now select the ratio you want. We are making shorts video, so selecting vertical one. And then click on Continue button. Select any 3 templates. Click on Done. And you are done. The AI processing is start for your video. This can take up to 30% time of your video's length. In the meantime, if you found our video helpful, please comment and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now click on Go to Dashboard button. This process will take 30% time of your video length. The video I used was 21 minutes, 55 seconds. And it took almost 7 minutes to complete. Here's our video is ready to edit. Now click on Review Clips. It will redirect you to Edit panel, and this may also take few minutes. AI have generated 4 chapters and 6 shorts from our given video. How much shorts it can be generated depends on the duration of your video. Here is chapters. Here is shorts. It is showing the possibility of viral score. We can check the clips and edit any of them or even all of them to make final shorts. In this way, we can generate more clips from any long video. This is rendering and processing the clips for final editing. You can switch size from here. Here is few options that you can use if you want. Right now we don't need to do that. Click on Edit and Download Video button. Click on Play button to review the clip.
Lily opens the magic book and is transported to a mysterious forest filled with.
The position is not suitable, so I am clicking on the video to adjust the ratio and size. You can able to adjust as per your requirement. After completing our video adjustment, here we changing the position of the subtitle that added to our video. And here we can change the style of our subtitle. Changing the color of highlighter. You can also change the font setting as per your requirement. After finalizing your editing, you should check the edited video.
And is transported to a mysterious forest filled with talking animals.
In this way, you can create shorts
Lily
from long
befriends a
video with
mischievous
AI.
squirrel who tricks her into stealing a golden acorn from the wise owl.
Fixing the alignment of subtitle.
Feeling guilty, Lily tries to return the golden acorn, but the owl is furious and refuses to forgive her. Lily realizes that the only way to make amends is to embark on a.
I think video size can be more adjustable. You will find few options on left menu bar. You can able to use them. If you have any confusion, you can ask me through comment section. I will answer every single comment one by one.
Transported to a mysterious forest filled with talking animals. Lily befriends a mischievous squirrel who tricks her into stealing a golden acorn from the wise owl. Feeling guilty, Lily tries to return the golden.
Here you can add progress bar in your video. I think almost everything is okay. So now clicking on download button on right top. In free plan, you will able to download only 720 pixel resolution. Don't worry, I will show how to improve your video resolution in next step. We need to go to Clipchamp software, you will find the link in description. Click and continue with Google, then select your Google account and it will redirect you to dashboard. Now click on Create a new video button. Click on Import Media and select that downloaded video. Drag the video to timeline. Today we will learn how to make unlimited bedtime stories for kids animation video like this one.
Where all the children
With
are
today's
mischievous.
strategy, click on Export button. And select 1080p, what is high quality resolution, and that's it. It will redirect you to Export panel and download will start automatically within next few minutes. You will able to upload this video to any social media as shorts. With this way, you can make shorts from long videos. Go back to vidyo.ai and start editing next short with the same way, and this way you will able to make unlimited shorts. If you found our video helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Today we will learn how to make unlimited bedtime stories for kids animation video like this one.
Where all the children
With
are
today's
mischievous,
strategy,
a young
you can
girl named
faceless
Lily
YouTube
discovers
channel
a
for
magic
kids
book
story.
that teaches
Let's see
valuable
how our
lessons.
video will be after final production.
Lily opens the magic book and is transported to a mysterious